Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 146th edition release. As always, everyone's links will be down below, and that will be My Creative Times YouTube page, as well as her store and all of the design team sisters. If you would like to use my code for 15% off your total purchase for this Thursday, that code is MOE. And remember, I said Thursday, so it's October 31st, not Friday this time. And it will end on Saturday, November 2nd at midnight. Oh, and the sale starts Thursday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So as always, I'm going to start with the paper. And so this paper is called Hot Chocolate Season 2024. And so it's a really cute pack. I love the gingham, absolutely love the gingham, and it's on a smaller scale. And then she also has the script backgrounds, and these are actually hot cocoa recipes, if I'm not mistaken. But My Creative Time will tell you a little bit more in detail. And so let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see that. So all of the papers are the same. It has a little bit of a pattern. There goes the green there. And the blue with that gingham, I love that. Love this. It's kind of like a light coral pink, but I really like it. And there goes that one. And then that bright Christmas red, just so cute. There goes that. And then this one. Like I said, it has a little bit of pattern. You can see it better on the chocolate. And that there. And then this one here. And then this one has all of the colors on this side there. Really cute, and then it repeats. Okay, jumping into some of the dies, and we also have one set of stamps. So we have the Cocoa Mug and Stuff. Really cute set. You have your marshmallows, a little bit of extra marshmallows that you can add on there. That heart. This heart will just cut into the paper. That says hot cocoa. And then this is the layer for the cup, and you can also make that into a shaker if you'd like. And then we also have the whipped cream topping. Really cute. And then we also have hot cocoa add-ons. And this is where you'll have your cinnamon stick here, peppermint sticks, and candy canes. So you can cut several out at one time. And once again, that's hot cocoa add-ons. And then you also have a wood plate to add that cup on top of if you'd like. And I really love this, and I love what I did with it too. And I'll show you in a little bit. And then we also have the hot cocoa stamps. Love the fonts on these, just so cute. And hopefully you can read everything. Let me take that out of the paper for you. Maybe that'll be a little bit better. And hopefully you can read that now. Really cute set. And then for your large treat bag, if you bought that a few months ago, she now has a side that you can add of that, or make it into a bag rather. And then it also has tags to go with that. Really super cute tags too. Love those. And that's the large treat bag add-ons. And then the last item we're showcasing is Gingerbread Cookies Plate Die set. And so this is adorable. Those little gingers are just too cute. And the cookies are adorable. They're nice and small, dainty. Love them. And so let's jump into these projects that I made for you. Before I get started, I'm just going to say I'll show you all the extra dies that I used at the end. So just in case you don't want to stick around for that. But anyways, here we go. I used the cookie sheet die along with that apron die. And then with the stamp set, I did heat emboss that, and then I fussy cut around it to lay that on there. I also pulled out the 5x5 card base dies there, and those are super cute. I love that. I did add this layer here myself, but the other layers come with that 5x5 add-on. It's so cute. I did add some glossy accents on top of there, and a glossy accent at the little icing around the gingerbread person. Just adorable. I love this. And then the inside, I just used that outer layer there. the same one that I used here. I love the postage stamp look, so I thought that was really cute. And I did bring out a paper pack from one of her previous sets, and I'll let you know at the end, but I thought that color matched up perfectly with those gingham out that one. But really cute card, love it. I love the heat emboss look on there too. You can kind of see it shining. And here goes the large treat bag along with the add-ons. So I made it into a large bag. I did not use the center piece to cut out the holder. I thought it was perfect without it, but it's up to you. If you'd like to add that in there, you're more than welcome to. Love this little wood plate die. It's a little different. Usually you find a saucer, but this is really cute as an add-on. And then I also used the Cocoa Add-ons for the little candy cane and the holly die plate for the holly leaf on there. Just really cute. Now these snowflakes come with the cup, and that's just so super cute. I did add some glue on there and added a little bit of coarse glitter to make it look like the marshmallows were a little sugary, and then pop that cinnamon stick in there along with some gems that I added on there. But really cute die set, and love that she created the add-ons for you, and it's just perfect. Love that. And then I made some tags out of the wood plate. I love that little wood plate. I always need a small tag to add on something around Christmas time, and this was just perfect. I love that. Once again, I'll show you the other items that I used at the end to go with this. So just stick around if you want to see that. But let me get this out of the bag. Here we go. It's so cute. So cute. I love that. It's so different, the little plate. And like I said, I made it into, I got removable glue dots on there. I made them into a tag. And I put the to and from on the back of there. And it's just enough space so that you can put the person's name and who it's coming from. So I really like that. So cute. I love it. I love it. Oh, and I did ink up the sides of that, and then on the back side I inked up that too, so it can bring out the wood chip look on there. So really cute. And here are the additional dies and stamps along with the paper that I used. So I pulled out that large treat bag die, 5x5 card die layers. Love this set. I also used the cookie sheet tags, and that's right there. I used the smallest one in that one. I used the apron dies. I didn't use the stamps, but just the dies this time. Holly plate die. That's where I got that little holly leaf there from. And then the sentiments that went on the wood plate. This is the set I got it from, which is Sweet Holiday Wishes. And then I also use Christmas Ginger Kisses 2 for that background paper there. And once again, here are all of my items that I created for you today. I hope you enjoyed everything that I showcased for you. Remember, our sale starts Thursday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is October 31st, and it will end at midnight, November 2nd, which is a Saturday. So please keep that in mind. And remember, my code is MOE, M-O-E, for 15% off your total purchase, or any other day it will be 10% off. Remember, everybody's links will be down below, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.